Hey guys, so this is the pattern for the outfit that we're going to make. So the first thing that we're going to do is secure the pants. So if you guys see, I took a pair of leggings that I can fit, laid them on the fabric, and as you guys can see, I cut out one pants leg, and it's another one under here, two pants leg. And guys, this is going to be on the bottom of the pants. So when you cut this, guys, don't cut a big old circle, because you don't want it to be to the point where it's too big. So kind of cut it small. So this goes on the bottom of the pants, kind of give it that little bell bottom shape. So these is the first two pieces, and then we're going to cut out the top. Okay guys, next step, you're going to sew down your pants leg. So you're going to sew down each pants leg, and then I'm going to come back online and we're going to connect the pants together. So self-explanatory. And these, I'm doing only an inner seam, not an outer seam. So we're only sewing down going down the leg, and then I'll come back and show you guys how to connect it together, the next step. Okay guys, next step, so we're going to take this pants leg and we're going to turn this right sides, okay? And then this pants leg which is wrong sides, and we're going to shove this in there, and this is how we wind up connecting it. We're going to shove this pants leg in there. So we're putting the right sides together, one side, wrong side, and right sides together. When we say fabrics on right sides together, so you put that down in there, and now we're going to connect the pants. So you're going to take this part and connect it, and then we're going to pin it all the way around, and then we're going to connect the pants together, and then we're going to flip them right sides out, and then you guys will be able to see the magic. So if you guys see, this is the way that we're connecting the pants. So if you guys notice, I flipped one facing the right side and one facing the wrong side, so that would be right sides together, and we're just gonna connect it. And now I'm just going to put it on a sewing machine, and I'm gonna sew it together now. This is how we connecting the pants. We're connecting the pants now. I need to get my serger and thread it. Start using that too as well. I haven't used it in a while because I was packing to move. So a lot of my sewing materials is packed up. So we're gonna sew it on around. And then guys, this is knit fabric, so you use a stretch stitch. But this outfit, I seen it on Lovely Wholesaler. And some stuff I can see and I can make it. And then some stuff I actually got to put my hands on it, you know, to see how, if it's complicated, like I can't figure it out, then I'll have to order it, and then I can make it. But we're connecting the pants together. And these pants has a lot of stretch in it. So almost done, and then I have to get the elastic. So back stitch. Okay, let's move this back and show you guys. Okay, so now after that, guys, we take the pants and we flip them back out the opposite way. So now it's time to see if the pants fit me good. This is what they should look like. They should look like this. So now I got to try them on and see if they fit perfect. If they do, I will add the elastic in the waist and then go to the bottom part. Stay tuned. Bye. Hi guys, so this is what they look like. They are a little big. I personally would like them maybe a little bit tighter. I don't know what you guys think. I think I'll make it a little bit tighter. And then I will add the elastic, guys. And we'll be ready to go to the next step. So this is what they're looking like. And then these is the bottom pieces that goes on, that's going to give it that little ruffle effect like that. But I need to take up the pants some more. They're not as tight as I would like them. So I need to do some adjustments to the pants, guys. All right. Guys, next step, after I did the alterations, what I did, guys, to speed this up, I took the pants and I folded it over, because now what I'm going to do is get the elastic ready. So guys, I want you to take your elastic and take it around your waist, and this is how you're going to do the elastic to how tight you want your leggings to be. So I want my leggings to hug me about right there. So now I'm going to cut right there, sit down the elastic, and I'm going to take a safety pin, guys, and now I'm going to feed the elastic through the leggings, guys. So, and then I'm going to recut the little bell bottom part, because I'd already had that cut. I don't think that'd be a great demonstration for you guys if you're trying to create this outfit, and I kind of cut that without being on camera. So guys, we're going to take your elastic, and when you sew this around, leave an opening, and I'm just going to feed this elastic through, guys. I'm not going to put this whole drawing out on camera because it's pretty self-explanatory. And then once you get it all the way through, guys, you close the hole off, and you close the space. You sew that down. So once I feed the elastic all the way through, so that's the next step. And then, guys, when I come back, I'm going to recut the peplum for the bottom of the pants, and then we'll move on to the top that we're going to create. All right, guys, so the leggings is complete. So now, guys, I'm going to make that bottom piece, that peplum. I wonder if I made them too long in the crouch, but I can always take them in if I did. But guys, see that? They look good. And guys, I want to, reach out to the people that have been following me. That dry roller, guys, look at my cellulite in my buttocks. It look amazing. It looks a whole lot better. So guys, we're going to take a square piece like this, and I'm just going to even it off. So what we're making now is the bottom part to the leggings. So we take it a square, fold it like this once, then we're going to fold it again like this, and then we're going to take it and fold it again like this, guys. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're making a peplum, but it's for the bottom of the ankles. So now this needs to be cut at an angle. If you guys see, I wrote the marking out. I'm going to cut that, and then we're going to put a hole in the top, because this is going to be the bottom piece that goes on the bottom of these leggings to give that little bell bottom shingalingy look. So, because I didn't do it live, so I was like, how can I show you guys how to do something if I'm not doing all the steps live? So, got to make the videos to be 100% accurate, so when you guys go to put it together, you guys can not have a step missing. So if you guys can see, you will wind up with a piece like this, okay? And then we're going to cut a little hole in the top, guys. Make it small, because the bigger the hole you make it, the hardest, not hard, it's going to be, you have to do alterations. So if you guys see, I cut a little hole like that. So now we're going to have 2 of these, and these is going to be the bottom piece that goes on the bottom of the leggings like that, guys. So that's what these pieces is going to be. They're the bottom part that goes on the leggings like that. See that? Okay, I'm going to connect that piece, guys. So that's the next step. Alrighty, guys, we're getting it done. Okay, guys. So when you guys connecting the bell bottoms to the bottom of the pants, guys, what we consider it is right sides together. So connect that bell bottom to the right sides together, and then, guys, take it and put it on a sewing machine. I'm going to stop the video, but connect it right sides together, and this is the bottom of the pants. So do that, guys, and come back. Hi, guys. It's your girl, A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs, and as you guys can see, the bell bottoms is on there, guys. And these is the pants, and now I'm going to make the shirt, guys. So this video is going to have to be in 2 parts because I do everything now from my phone, guys. I gave away all of my equipment. You know, I had stopped doing videos and everything, you know, after my son's death. So a lot of stuff I kind of gave away. So I'm just using my phone for videos. I actually didn't ever think I'd get back to this point where I'd be doing videos. So I'm going to have to buy everything all over again. But guys, it's going to be in 2 videos. So I just want to show you guys the finishing results. So these are the pants, and you guys got to watch part 2 for the shirt. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Part 1. Part 2 is coming.